Hey, what's up, guys? Please excuse my voice if it sounds at times like I have a cough drop in my mouth, because I do, because I cannot go approximately 1 second without coughing like a maniac. So hopefully you can ignore that. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you a plugin called SpongeProtect. This was suggested by a user and asked to do a tutorial on it, and I will. It's a very cool plugin, and it's actually very small and simple. There's no configuration for it, and it's extremely straightforward and really insanely simple to use. So I'm going to get started and show you what it does and how it works and why you should use it. So of course we're going to drop the SpongeProtect, oh god, getting emails, SpongeProtect.jar into our plugins folder. And once we've done that, we will start our server. Of course, as always, I will put the link for SpongeProtect.jar in the description, and you can download it there. So let's start, and I'm going to let this load. Okay, I'm on the server, and we should be ready to go. So I have a sponge in my hand, and I will show you how this works. And I'm getting messages on Steam. I don't know who that is. Anyway, I will show you how this works. So get a sponge in your hand. Make sure you are an operator, also known as an admin or an op, and simply place the block down. You'll notice that the block immediately disappears, and in the chat it says area is now claimed. What that means is it's created a radius around this block, around where I'm flying, and it's a claimed area now. So only you can build in it. So this is a really simple, straightforward way to create your protected areas. For example, on survival servers, this is really great, and stuff like that. So it's honestly that simple. You literally place it, disappears, and it's claimed. Now, if you want to unclaim an area, you type /unclaim, I think. Yeah, and it says area is now unclaimed. And if you want to claim it again, simply right click and it'll claim it again. So what if I wanted to build with the sponge and I don't like that every time I place it, it's claiming something? Well, I can do that too. All I have to do is type sponge toggle, and now it's a sponge claiming is off. So I can build as I please, and once I'm ready to protect an area over here, I simply type sponge toggle again, press enter, and I'm able to claim this area. So you'll notice if I go into the files that there is no configuration file. It does create a folder, but this is simply, oh, wrong one. It does create a folder, but this is simply data, and we're never going to touch that unless we want to corrupt the server. So you really don't need to configure it, I don't even know if that's a word. You really don't need to configure anything with this plugin. Simply right click, it places, it protects, simply toggle if you want to build with the sponge, simply /unclaim if you want to unclaim. There's probably like, 4 commands, maybe 3. And that's the entire plugin. So I would highly suggest you use this if you have a simple survival server, or you're playing with your friends or something like that. So I want to thank this user for suggesting this plugin. I think it's really cool, and I'm glad that I got to do this tutorial. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.